the background you are seeing behind me is fake. This is the original background that I used to shoot this video, but after editing, I achieved this mind-blowing background. So I'm going to be showing you in this video how I achieved this kind of mind-blowing background. It's super simple to do. So just stick to the instructions I'm going to be giving to you, and you are going to learn how to turn your background into a mini studio that will captivate your audience who are watching you. Things I normally tell people is that creativity is inside of you. The way you bring it out matters. So you might not have a good required studio as a YouTuber maybe to begin from the start, but you can also achieve this if you pay keen attention to what I'm going to be showing you. So all you have to do, if you have watched my previous video before, you will see that I always stress on so many things, on the key things, which are your light and your tripod stand, which is your stabilizer. So let me show you how I shot this video. The number one thing you have to take note of is you need to have a stabilizer. Yes, a tripod stand before you, and it should be fixed. It should be focused at one particular position. Then the number two thing is that your light should be the same color. They shouldn't contrast each other. They should not be fighting with each other. Then the background you are using, you should use a background that the t-shirt or the clothes you are putting on is different from the background, so that while you are removing the background from during your editing, it will not be difficult for you to do. So that is literally that, and let's go to the editing app. Alright, my background is a little bit noisy, so if you will just have to pay keen attention to what I'm trying to do. So let's bring in the video itself. Okay, so let me change the duration. That's it. I want to edit it to 16:9 ratio. Free crop 16:9 ratio. And then remember, I left this particular space at the top here. Yeah, so that's it. I'll confirm, then I'll come to this ratio and put the 16:9 ratio. The reason why I like using my system to edit videos is because it's super fast. You can do this using your smartphone. You understand? So don't feel like as if I will tell you I use my smartphone for edit, and when you come for the edit you will see me using system. This same thing I'm doing here, you can do it on your smartphone. Don't mistake. Follow the same process. You will see the same interface in the smartphone. So let me quickly do this adjustment. This adjustment tab, shift it, and let's delete. Although you can skip this part if you want. If you don't know it, you can just skip it. So let me quickly do it. Okay, so I'm done with this. Let me show you the before and the after. This is the before and this is the after. So that's it. That's the enhancement there. So look at how this my video. There's something I didn't tell you while I was telling you things you should follow. Look at this top. When you are recording a video, there should be space. Look at where my cursor is pointing now. There should be space at the top, so that whenever you want to crop, you will not crop yourself out. Then your hand movements should be something you should also take note of. Don't move outside this square here. You will know the reason why I'm saying this. So what we are going to do, you will look for the most stable picture of you, like where you are most stable in the video you are shooting. So from the beginning of this video is my most stable point of the video, like I'm looking straight into the camera and I didn't shake. So what you're going to do, you are going to click on these 3 line dots here, then you come down, you export still frame. For smartphone users, you will not see this particular feature because you are not using system. So what I'm going to do, you just, after you are done with all this, you just screenshot that side and then you screenshot and then you save. So let me save it as, let me add R so that we know what R. Yeah, so good. So you can see shadow is showing on my image here. That's because one of my lights was having issue. For I said anyhow it is, I will have to record this tutorial. That's why I'm still recording. So now okay, before that there is this is ChatGPT. Look at what I write me a prompt to use for a YouTube channel. That's the prompt there. See it, I've added the prompt and I'm using animation script builder in ChatGPT. So what we'll do, let's copy this prompt. This is the second one. I like the second one. You copy this thing here. Okay, then I'll copy. All right, so let's go to this website now. The website is Adobe Firefly. That's where you are going to create the magic. Then you go to generative fill and then you scroll down till you see this generative fill. See it, generative fill. Okay, the link is going to be in the description below. So this is the image. I will now drag this image this still image that I got from this CapCut app. You drag it there. Good. So it's not there. Then you click on this insert and then you click on this add. Then let's clean this point. Let me quickly do it. Okay, so you just clean it like this. Make sure you don't clean all the whole you don't clean all this part, like you don't touch this particular side. You give it a little space and a little space so that for your hand movement. So after you are done, you go to enter prompt and then you paste this particular prompt. All right, then you do what? You hit on generate. Okay, so it's done generating. So let's see. There's the first one. Let's see the second one. And let's see the third one. Nope. I don't think I really like any of this particular, but for the whole of the tutorial, if you don't like it, you can click on more and more will begin to generate. Well, I don't want to waste a lot of time again. So it's just all about, you have to be tweaking it till you want the particular one you are looking for till you see the pattern. So let's see. Okay, so this is another one. Here's another one. Yeah, I think I like this. Anyway, so let's go to the previous and see. This is the first one. Okay, yeah. Let me just keep this and let us download. So it should be done downloading. So I will now do was I'll go to import and then go to downloads and then I'll drag. Okay, I'll put it here. Good. So what I'm going to do now, you will carry this one, the image, to this particular point, be under of this. So you do now take the video up. Okay, yeah, good. Take the video up and then you drag this to this point. Yeah, so the video now is not acting as an overlay. Hope you're understanding what I'm saying. So you now click on the video and then you go to mask. This is how I perform this magic. You click on add mask. Okay, so let's place it at the middle. You shift it to this point and then you drag. You drag. Yeah, if you like, you can drag to, let's drag. I want the shadow. Yeah, let's drag it to that point where the shadow is going. Okay, yeah, so that's it. So that is literally, after you're done,
then you leave it to. So let me play it. Let's just see what you have.
The background view as well.
So you can see literally what I'm saying. Come on, let me make this place so you see. So that's literally how I came up with this kind of background and how you can use it Adobe Firefly to enhance the background and everything. So see you in my next tutorial, and thank you for watching.